All right, guys, here's our first day back at our home gym in South Elgin. You're about to see a hardcore CrossFit training session because now I'm a CrossFit level 1 trainer, which means I'm doing things way differently, right?
Very different.
No. All we're doing is, again, what I took home from CrossFit as I need to work more function in my workouts. My shoulder mobility is garbage and I can't do an overhead squat. That's the first thing I'm going to fix. Then I'm going to work on my snatching. I'm going to work on a lot of different things. But for now, I probably have a good 2 to 3 months of teaching myself the mobility of using the overhead squat. And Katie actually used the overhead squat as a rehab movement,
yes,
when she had lumbar spinal issues with her sciatica.
Yes.
So here's the deal, guys.
The first thing I went back to.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't do back squats.
I'm done doing back squats. I'm gonna do overhead squats. CrossFit will make me more functional. I took out of it what I can use. And as a trainer, I'm not gonna have people doing bad form for time, for reps, and for weight. I'm gonna be using the benefits I got out of CrossFit. Like I said, if you read a book that's 500 pages, if you have 1 page of take home from it, you're in a better spot. Also, worst case scenario, I had a weekend of training with awesome people, of hanging out with my best friend Sean, and of becoming a CrossFit certified trainer. There's nothing wrong with that. Guys, enjoy the Beyond Failure training. Katie is still on prednisone and an antibiotic.
But I'm feeling a lot better, so I'm getting there. I've got another 4 days of antibiotic and a good week or more of prednisone.
And she wouldn't let me film before because she wasn't going as hard as she usually does.
Yeah.
But now we're able to film some of her sets, and I'm really proud of her getting back to it. Enjoy the workout. Again, dude, just because I'm a CrossFit level 1 trainer doesn't mean I'm a CrossFitter. It means that I am certified to train people in the CrossFit methodology. And that's all it means. That's all it means. And I will tell you this, for those of you saying that it's only a weekend course, how many days is the NASM course, Katie, which people hold, oh, I'm an NASM trainer. How many days is that?
I have no idea.
0. It's an online course. CrossFit at least requires you to not only pass a test, but also to pass and actually do it. Till NASM actually gets people out to do it, that's a money laundering scheme.
I was gonna say.
Okay? This is actually in person. They flew 5 people in from different states to train this course. The best of the best, the people from corporate. I have nothing but respect for CrossFit. Now, there are some practitioners of CrossFit who are terrible, but again, there's a trainer in this gym right in front of me right here who should be arrested for malpractice, and he's training people in bodybuilding movements.
That are 70 and 80 years old, probably.
And same with CrossFitters. There's good and there's bad and there's ugly. And for me, I'm the ugly. Enjoy the workout. Nice. All right, ready? Come on. Good. Go. Good. Yep. hold on, hold on. Yep.
You got it.
No beyond failure shit, okay? There you go. As you guys know, since I ain't voicing this shit over, so you guys can hear how fucking painful it is. Katie ain't going beyond failure because she's still on prednisone and antibiotics from her bad sinus infection. So she's just taking it easy.
You're not bad. This is 80 pounds.
80 pounds is heavy. Fuck.
Not expected. You got one more? Ready?
Ready, go. That's it. Let's go. Nice. There you go. Good. Good, nice and slow, good. Good form. Good job. Good job. So I'm looking at my email this morning. I get a mass email from one of the other sites that sell supplements that you're just a number to, right? They were bragging that one supplement line was free shipping. Bro, if you order over $99 in product in the continental US, any day of the week, free shipping anywhere in the US, at continental USA. Free shipping on orders over $99 at tigerfitness.com. Why even look at the other guys? And also we ship from Vegas and Ohio. Most places in the US are a 1 to 2 day ship. And that's not a game.